out here at Lonestar Throwdown. Got Sammy right here, and we're here with Renegade. I guess we shouldn't walk into the street, but we're gonna go walk around, check out some trucks, and it should be a lot of fun. Let's go! So I am spending my day out here at the Renegade Products booth, and look at all of these awesome trucks we've got out front. Check them out, y'all. So fun fact, this is actually like my first ever truck show. I've never been to anything like this where there are just like lifted trucks everywhere. It's so cool. I am actually going to be getting a truck here in a couple of months, and it's kind of inspiring me to want to do something like this. Okay, not like this, but something a little, I want to build a truck. So let me know what kind of truck I should go with. I haven't decided between like Ford, Dodge, Chevy. I don't know, but I think this is going to be coming soon, and let me know if I should document it all. Wouldn't that be fun?
I work for an agency out of Fort Worth.
Renegade booth!
But I help build.
Is this truck not sick nasty? Look at this. I love this truck. I am having so much fun at my first ever truck show, and it is definitely inspiring me to want to do something real soon. So another exciting thing that is hopefully going to be happening soon is I'm getting a boat. I'm going to be building a boat, I think. And today, while we were at the Lonestar Throwdown, we met Alex, who is the rep for Deck-It here in Houston. And this is Scoop's boat right here behind me. And as you can see, it's got the Deck-It flooring that is on here. And I'm thinking we're gonna work with Alex in a couple of months and do this, the decking, to my new boat as well. So it's gonna be really cool. This year is going to have a lot of crazy things happening. Hopefully a new truck, hopefully a new boat, and meeting people to facilitate all of these things. It's gonna be awesome. But look, let me show you this boat real quick. So this is the red and black decking, but I think I'm gonna do a gray and blue, but it just is so awesome. But this is the company that I'm gonna work with. I cannot wait, y'all. Look at how cool this is. It lifts up, and he's got all his tools under there. What an awesome truck. truck show was a success. It's been so cool seeing all of the different builds today. And now we're walking to the car before it starts to rain, looking at all the different trucks. And I have to say, I am really excited to start coming to more of these shows, maybe having a build of my own one day. But what a fun time with Renegade Products today at Lonestar Throwdown. Woohoo! I've got to say, my truck now feels very much inadequate versus all of the trucks I have been hanging out around today. But time to head on home. It's been a long day. This gal just got home after a full day of hanging out with Renegade Products at Lonestar Throwdown. I got up at 5:45 a.m. and it is currently 10:20 p.m. I actually am heading to the airport in less than 12 hours to catch a flight to Steamboat, Colorado. So, after this crazy day, this gal is heading to bed. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow or subscribe to my channel, and I will bring y'all new videos very soon. Bye, y'all.